Alright y'all, today we are installing these Enduro Engineering Roost Guards, part number 53-3123 from Enduro Engineering on a GasGas MC-E2 little kid's bike. So you got, that's the part number for the guards themselves, or the mounts. Then you need the roost deflectors. These are the ones for mini bikes or e-bikes, and the part number for this is 51-324. So again, for the mini bikes, you want the mountain bike ones. They go over the master cylinder like that. Good clearance and everything. They fit on the bars fine. I think they're going to be good. So we finished getting them on. Roost deflectors on my daughter's GasGas MC-E2. To do it, you got to take the brake lever off, take the ignition switch, or whatever you want to call it, button off, and the grip. That is a torx bolt, whatever this is, a small torx bolt. This is Phillips head. So, little small Phillips head screwdriver. It's really hard to see unless you're trying to bike upside down or stand on your head. So, and yeah, so torx for the brake, Phillips head for this, and same size torx for the brake and the grip. You also got to take these loose. These are also torx down here for the, you don't have to take it off, you just pull it back so you can pry the brake lever back, and you can slide that over the handlebar and pull it off like that. Doesn't knock the bike over, but that's how you do it on that side. Hang on, I'll put it back together and show you the other side. All right, so for this side, the throttle side, you got to take this. There's a little torx coupling that holds the ODI throttle on. You got to take that off. Then there's a T20 torx on the bottom of the throttle housing. So you will just loosen that and this will slide right off. You're gonna have to go in here and mess with your cables and pull them through on that thing there. And then same thing as the other side on the brake. Just loosen or remove the torx. I had to stick a screwdriver in here to get it to loosen up enough to get it out, to get it to slide off. And then you just slide it over the bar end. And that's it. And then you take this guy here, slide it on about as far as you can get it, and then put it back together. It's pretty simple. Be back in a second when it's all done. Here's the other side. I think that's pretty decent. I haven't put the deflectors on yet, but got the brake lever back on, got the switch back on, and the grip. So that's all good to go. Fits good, plenty of room, so it works out good. All right, we got everything back together. Relatively easy to put on. It's kind of annoying that this is a single piece here, so you got to take all this stuff off, but it is what it is. I think they look awesome. I've got these on all my bikes, and my daughter wanted them too, so she's happy, I'm happy. Everything's back together. Throttle works good, brakes are good. That's pretty much it. Enduro Engineering Roost deflectors on a GasGas MC-E2.